Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, now in our earlier class, we have complete chapter number 3. Now, the word problems of exercise 3E. Now, today we will start MCQs of chapter number 3. So, students, open page number 52. These are the MCQs of chapter number 3. MCQs means multiple choice questions. In these questions there are 4 options and the correct option you will pick the correct option. So now we start. Question number 1 is what should be added to 754 to get 800? So students, you will do this MCQs in your book. After checking your copies, then you will do in the मैथ्स नोटबुक. जब आपकी मैथ्स की नोटबुक चेक होके आ जाएंगे, then you will do in your notebook. Now you will do in this in the book. So open your book, page number 52. So question 1: what should be added to 754 to get 800? Means what should be added? हमें क्या ऐड करना चाहिए to 754 में to get 800? 800 को लाने के लिए 754 में हम क्या करेंगे, क्या ऐड करेंगे? What we will add? So when we subtract 754 in from 800, we will get the answer. So 800 minus 754. So students, I am explaining you here. So look at the blackboard. 800 minus 754. So this is 10. If it is 10, then we take 1 borrow, so it is 9 and this 8 is 7. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4 and 7 minus 7, 0. Our answer is 46. So what should be added to 754? 46 is added to 754 to get 800. So take option number C, 46. Option number C, 46. Write down, students. Then question number 2. What is the difference of 317 and 371? Difference means subtraction. So what is the difference of 317 and 371? So which number is bigger? 371. And which is the smaller? 370. So we subtract 317 from 371. So 1 is less than 7. We take carry. This is 6 now and this is 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Answer is 54. Option number A. What is the difference of 317 and 371? 54. Option number A, 54. Tick option number A. So students, I solved all the questions on the blackboard. That's why you have no query in the answers. Now, question number 3 is, what is the difference of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number? This is the smallest 4-digit number and this is greatest 3-digit number. 4-digit number is bigger than greatest 3-digit number. So 4-digit number is 1000, greatest 3-digit number is 999. So what is the difference? So we subtract. This is 10, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 0. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0 and 0 is 0. 1. Because there is no value of 0 before any number. किसी भी नंबर से पहले 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी. So answer is 1. So what is the difference between greatest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number? Option number D, 1. Write down question number 3. Option number D, 1. Now question 4. Question 4 is what number replaces in the sum given below? There is the sum 933 278 933 27 प्लेस पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा, which number will come in this place. Now subtract this number बेटे. Now 13, this is 3 is less than 8, so we take borrow from here. Here it is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so this 1 is here and this 3. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. अब 2 में से 7 नहीं minus होगा, take carry from here. This is 8 and this is 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So what is the answer? 5. So tick option number C. Option number C, 5. Now, question number 5. Now, student, listen carefully this question. This is little bit difficult for you, but I will explain you. Then you will solve very easily. Now, student, there were 720 girls in a school. एक स्कूल में कितने girls हैं? 720. There were 250 less boys than girls. Boys जो है वो girls से कितने कम है? 250 कम है. So we subtract 250 from 720. Girls are 720, less boys 250. यानी 720 girls हैं and boys जो है वो 250 less है girls से. So how many boys? 0. This is take carry from here. This is 6 and this is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 6 minus 2. These are the counting of boys. Number of boys कितने हैं? Girls 720 and boys less than 250. So how many boys? 470 boys. So how many people were in the school? People means girls और boys both. दोनों को मिलाकर कितने students, कितने शिष्य? PUPIL people means होता है शिष्य और PEOPLE people means होता है बेटे लोग. Pupil means शिष्य. So 720 girls and 470 boys. Total 0974. Total people are 1190. Option number A. Tick option number A. A 1190. First we subtract less boys from girls. Then we get number of boys. Then we add girls and boys both. So the answer is 1190. So tick option number A. So next is how much greater is 730 than 307? How much greater is 730? 730 जो है वो कितना बड़ा है? Greater means बड़ा. Then 307. किससे? 307 से. So we subtract 307 from 730. 730 minus 307. Now take carry from here. This is 2 and this is 10. 10 minus 7 3. 2 minus 0 2. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 423. Option number B. Question 6. Option number B. 423. Write down the students. Now next is what is 123 less than 789? क्या आएगा अगर हम 789 में से 123 को लेस कर देंगे? So what is 123 less than 789? अगर 123 लेस देन किस में से लेस हो गया? 789 में से. तो व्हाट इज क्या आएगा? व्हाट इज द आंसर? सो 789 माइनस 123. 9 minus 3 6. 8 minus 2 6 and 7 minus 1 6. 666. Option number B. Question 7. Option number B. 666. Write down the students. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is what is the difference in the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number formed with digit 601? Because these are the 3 digits 601. Now we form greatest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number from these digits. So greatest number is 610 and smallest is 0 को कभी भी हम पहले नहीं पुट करते. Earlier I explained you that there is no value of 0 before any number. But when we write more than 0, which number is more than 0? 1. First we write 1, then 0, then 6. So what is the difference now? Subtract it. Take carry from here. This is 10 and this is 0. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So answer is 504. Option number A. Question 8. Option number A, 504. Write down, students. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is, what number should be added to 367 to get 400? What number should be added to 367 to get 400? 400 लाने के लिए 367 में हम कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे? So again we subtract 367 from 400. 400 minus 367. So beta this is 0. Take carry. 10 minus 7 3. Now if this is 10, we take carry from here. This is 3 and this is 10. But we take carry from here. So 10 is 9. In the place of 10 it is 9. तभी तो इसको हमने 10 किया था. 10 को this is 9. 10 minus 1 9 and this borrow is here 1 1 0 10. 10 minus 7 3. 9 minus 6 3 and 3 minus 3 0. Answer is 33. So what number should be added? 33 should be added to 367 to get 400. So option number D, 33. Option number D, 33. Now question number 10. Last question is, what is the difference of the place value of 6 in 6464? Because this is the number 6464. So what is the place value of 6? What is the difference? Now this 6 is 1s and 10s. 10s means 60. And this 6 is 1s, 10s, 100,000. So this 6 is 6,000 and this is 60. 6 10 is 60. So what is the difference between 0 minus 0 0? Now this is 10. If this is 10, so it is 9. And if we take from borrow from 6, then it is 5. 10 minus 0 minus 0 0. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 and 5. 5 9 4 0. So what is the difference? 5,940. Option number D. 5,940. Yes. So students, today I have done MCQs of chapter number 3. So student, this is your homework. Do these MCQs in your book. If you have notebook, then you will write in the notebook. Otherwise, you will do in the book. Okay? And learn them. This is your homework. आप इसको learn भी करेंगे. Okay? So students, learn these MCQs and write it in the practice copy. Sorry, practice copy नहीं, maths copy. If you have maths copy, then you will write in it. If you have no copy, then you will do in the book. So complete these MCQs in the book. So students, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.